Hey guys, did you know that just a few minutes in your kitchen garden every day can make the biggest difference? We talk to a lot of people that feel a little overwhelmed with committing to a kitchen garden. And my encouragement to them is you can always start small, and really at minimum, it can only require just a few minutes of your time every single day. I try to step out to my garden either early in the morning or just before dinner or just after dinner. You don't have to do a ton of work, but I find just say 3 to 5 minutes in the garden sometimes could lead to 15 to 20, but it helps me stay ahead of the task. And I want to show you one that I like to do regularly, and that is removing some damaged or maybe diseased or pest infested leaves. This is a quick little thing you can do in your garden to keep it healthy, and it only takes a few minutes. So this is a huge kale bed that my mom's been keeping all through the winter here in Mississippi, and she's been traveling a lot. She's been helping me a lot in Chicago, and so there's a lot of leaves in here that just really need to be taken out. They're not causing a lot of harm, but you can prevent things from happening by keeping the diseased or the discolored leaves out of the garden. So in just a few minutes, I could come out here and just kind of search down to the base of the plant. See, that one's kind of yellow. It's all finished. And then there's a bunch of leaves there at the base of the plant that really need to come out. And I'm just gonna kind of go through the plants and look for any leaf that's discolored, that has holes in it, any kind of leaf that seems like it's not 100% healthy. Now, sometimes you might find a leaf that doesn't look 100% healthy, but doesn't look like something you necessarily need to compost or throw away. So you could go ahead and eat those, cut off the damaged piece, wash it off really well, and throw it into a salad. And then what you've done by removing leaves like this one is you prevent these are kind of like a welcome mat for pests and disease. So when you've got these leaves just kind of hanging around in your salad garden, you're kind of welcoming pests and issues that you just you could so easily prevent just by taking a few minutes. So what has it been? In a minute, I've pulled out all these leaves. I could probably spend one more minute here. Throw these in the compost pile as long as they don't look necessarily diseased or covered with pests. And then I've done my job to keep my kale garden healthy. And speaking of garden, it's time for a salad. So when I come out here to clean, it could be right before dinner, I can pull off the dead leaves, and then right away I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some leaves for dinner. So it really doesn't take a ton of time. You get to combine pulling your dinner or your kale smoothie for breakfast with doing a little bit of kitchen garden cleanup. So I hope that this encourages you to go for it. You do not have to be a farmer to be a gardener. So the kitchen garden can take just a few minutes of your time every single day, and you can end up with a sea of kale that you never have to buy from the grocery store, and that can fuel your healthy and whole lifestyle. I hope that you'll go for it this season. You can learn more about growing kale, which is one of my favorites, at saladschool.com. It's my passion to get all of you guys growing salad this season, and if not this season, eventually. So come learn more. I also have a free workshop at saladschool.com that'll walk you through the 4 things you need to start a salad garden right away. It only takes a few minutes of your time every day, and I promise you, it is so worth it, because it tastes good, it's good for my body, and I just got some time outside. So don't be overwhelmed by the time commitment, just go for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.